Hello guys, so welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be installing a finger guide on this 1/4 size student violin. So this finger sticker is called the Weston's Fantastic Finger Guide. They come in different sizes. You can buy them for violin, viola, cello, and for a double bass. So this is how it looks like. It's really short, and I'm going to show you how to install it on my daughter's violin. Move the sticker out of the plastic, and I'm just gonna, it says here peel here, so that's what we're gonna do. It's right off really easily, so you can see. So as you can see, it's see-through, it's clear. This is the sticker, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert it over here and slide it until it reaches all the way to the nut. It's really close to the, so make sure that it doesn't stick to the fingerboard and just slide in right up. I slid it all the way up over here, so it's a little bit glaring here, but line it up with the strings and start to press the middle going outwards so the sticker will fit. So that I'm gonna align it right now. Aligned it as let me do it sideways so you can see. So align it as best as you can in the middle of each string. So as you can see, that's what I have here, and then I'm gonna start pushing the middle to stick to push it in the middle and then going outwards like so, just to make it stick. So, and then stick the sides. So let's start with this side so you can see better. So this side, there's a flap, you can push it. Start from the middle, work your way from the middle going out like so. So that's how that side looks like, and we're gonna attach the other side as well. Start from the middle going out. There you have it. That's how to attach a fingerboard on a 1/4 violin. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.